Good morning, guys. It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a good morning miners update, guys. Hope you're all doing well and fantastic. Hope you're staying warm wherever you guys are. It is cold as crap here in central Oklahoma. We were actually looking at 5 degrees when I got up this morning. The real feel was negative like 11. Yeah, negative 11. It's cold. The well house is like, or the mining well house is 80 degrees and doing good. So it's loving this. I'm actually up turned down the AC Infinity fan. It's down to like 4, setting 4. So it's like just moving air at this point. Nothing crazy. So yeah, it's pretty nice. It's nice in there anyway. That's for sure. But hope you guys are staying warm. If it's super cold and snowy where you are. Yeah, good morning. So today, guys, we are going to talk about a little bit of a few things, right? You know, what's on the chopping block coming up next here for me in the show. So, of course, if you don't know, last week we actually purchased a Helium mobile hotspot. We'll see how it kind of does here in my location. I'm pretty rural, and there's no other 5G hotspots out around me. So we'll see how this goes, and we'll see how the earnings are for this device. They are shipping now, so if you do buy one, mine shipped the same day I bought it, so it should actually be here tomorrow. Yeah, or it'll be here on Tuesday for you. Or for me, but whatever. So, guys, that's cool. We got that coming out, and we'll have some stuff coming out, some content coming out for this once we have got it in our hands. We'll have a setup video for it and kind of go over that. On other notes, we have been stagnant on solo blocks across the board. We are now like day 8 without a second block on Caspa, which is not too terribly bad. That means we're about like a day over what we would be making if we were just pool mining. So currently right now you would roughly get about 18.8 Caspa a day. So in order to achieve the same block amount, it's about 7 to 8 days. Just kind of give or take of network difficulty and network hash rate. It can change and vary a little bit, but about 7 to 8 days is what it would currently take you to make the same amount as you would solo mining a block. The first one we hit, it was within 4 days, so we definitely were ahead of the game there. But now it's been about 8 days, and our personal luck just bounced up again. We were at 112%, so we should literally hit a block at any moment. Literally, it'd be kind of cool if we hit a block while we're talking about this, but we should hit a block anytime soon with this amount of luck. Now, where we're not so lucky is of course is on Radiant. We are day 35 and still no block on Radiant. I even lent my 1660 Ti onto my address to kind of help push my effort up, because we weren't going any higher than 34% on the effort. So doing that, we were able to kind of like get over that hump, and now we're 36 to 37. Saw as high as 38 now. So we are up higher, and we are basically running on luck at this point. Just pure luck. So maybe we'll get a block soon. I hope we get a block soon. We will not be switching back to pool mining until we hit a block. So we really, really, really need to hit one, especially with the halving coming for Radiant. So the block reward is 50,000 currently, 50,000 Radiant per block, and that will get halved. So that would make it around 25, or not around, but it would make it 25,000 Radiant per block. So cutting it directly in half, so your rewards are going to cut. And yeah, would like to hit a block before that happens, personally. We also, guys, are going to be adding to our Zeroexe rig, which is composed of Navi cards, 6700. We got 4 5600 XTs and a 5700 XT. We actually just purchased another card. We actually scored it off of eBay for 120 bucks for a gigabyte 5700 XT. Overall, card looks to be in good condition. Doesn't smell funky. It was cleaned. It's still pretty clean. The guy said that it was basically new. He never really used it. And it doesn't look like dirty at all. It has been taken apart at least once in its life. As you can see right there, there is no stickers on any of those 4 screws, and some of these screws here in the back, you can tell that they've had a screwdriver to them because they are not the same. So at some point it has been taken apart in its lifetime, probably rethermal pasted. Other than that, like, the card is super clean. Scored it for 120 bucks on eBay. Not too shabby for 5700 XT. So we'll be adding that into the rig and getting that up and running and adding about 25 more hashes to our Nhash hash rate, which not too shabby, right? But it puts us at 155 to 156 mega hashes for this specific rig, and not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. So, that being said, the last thing that we really have to talk about here on the show today is we have some content coming up here, thanks to a good friend of mine. Basically, getting some content out here that might help some people. But we are going to go back in time and start covering some more nodes again. We've got a few nodes here lined up in mind that we will be testing out and getting up and running, which is pretty interesting. I haven't ran nodes in a while since we decommissioned our Flux node, so we'll probably look at running maybe a Celesta node, maybe a Kiro, if anybody's mining Kiro, maybe a Myra node, and possibly even a Quai nodes. We'll also be looking at a Quai node. So pretty cool, pretty interesting how that's gonna play out. I'm going to repurpose one of my ETCMC nodes for some other purposes, since they flagged me and I cannot get my claims for whatever reason. They said that it's because I used a duplicate key, and unfortunately I didn't. I was being a good boy, and I bought both keys, 2 different addresses, 2 different email addresses, and they claim that I'm flagged because of that. So I don't know. Currently working with them to see if there's some kind of solution. I have the proof that I purchased all of my keys, but yeah, not sure what I'm gonna do with that. And for the time being, I'm just gonna turn my nodes off because I'm not gonna continue to earn coins that I'm never gonna get. I'm not gonna support that. So kind of sucks. It's a little bit of a bummer, and I think I'm out like a total of like 300 ETC POW. So almost a whole license worth of rewards, like ROI, that we just got wiped. It sucks. Hopefully they fix it. Hopefully they offer to fix it, or if they can. I gave them all the proof that they need. I gave them all my order numbers, all my license numbers, node numbers. We'll see. Fingers crossed. but I'm not going to hold my breath. It seems to be kind of weird. So guys, let me know in the comment section below if you've had issues with that. I'm actually kind of curious to see how many people may have had to bite the bullet and lose rewards. I mean, luckily they don't run a whole lot of power, but you're still out $250 for a license. Now it's $300. So it's kind of a bummer, and I hope it gets settled, because if not, that's kind of sucks and pretty crappy of them. But oh well, what can you do other than pivot and keep on moving forward? So guys, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, that bell notification. I'd greatly appreciate it. Let me know down in the comments below if you've had issues with your ETCMC claims as well. What nodes would you like to see covered on the channel? I would greatly appreciate that, guys. We will catch you on the next one. Much love. Peace out. Remember, stay savage. We'll see y'all next time. Peace.